Mrs. Oliver here. I'm going to go over some comprehension to go with your story for this week. We are on Unit 2, Week 5, and it's actually a poetry unit, so we have a couple poems named Empanada Day, Cold Feet, Our Washing Machine, and Bugged. You can find these poems on pages 166 through 169 in your floppy book. Our poems have limericks and also free verse. A limerick has an example down here with the poem Bugged, has a certain pattern. We have lines 1, 2, and 5 that have N rhyme together, like knee, pee, and me. And then lines 3 and 4 in the stanza have N rhyme, like fins and pins. Normally, limericks get a little bit silly because the author is focusing more on the rhyme than making the poem make sense. So a lot of times they're kind of funny. Our other poem is a free verse, meaning that it has no specific pattern or structure to the stanza. Our comprehension strategy is alliteration and rhyme. And you can see in my screenshot of the poem Bugged, we have rhymes such as knee and pee, fins and pins, and then we also have something called alliteration, which is when we have same beginning repeated sounds. Like I think of the tongue twister, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. When we have that same P sound at the beginning, that's alliteration. So we also have that here with creature crawled, and we have fish fins. Those are examples of alliteration within that poem. Our comprehension skill is point of view. So this is in reference to the empanada poem. I chose some text evidence. One bite of Abuelita's empanadas and my mouth purrs. Teach me to make this magical treat. My eyes wide as saucers, I watch and follow. These 3 lines from the poem tell me that the person writing it loves their grandma's cooking. Not only do they love the cooking, but they wish that they could make it the same as her. So the point of view is the author loves their grandmother's cooking and can't wait to eat it. If our author did not like the empanadas, they might say that the empanadas were boring, they'd rather eat something else, they're sick of them. But the language and word choice that this author used proves their point of view that these empanadas are the best. I hope this helped you understand your comprehension a little bit better, and I'll catch you next week.